Hi everyone, welcome back to another Clickbank tutorial video. So in this video, I will share with you a strategy that you can use with Clickbank to start make money online. So if you are interested, please keep watching this video till the end, give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. So let's get started. So as you can see right here, I have an affiliate product right here, which is the similar one that you're gonna get in Clickbank. I'm using right here Digistore affiliate platform, not Clickbank, but this strategy works with any affiliate marketing platform. So as you can see right here, let's take this product as an example. So this is the ultimate keto meal plan. Make 37 dollar per each sale, per each $1 sale. So this is keto meal plan, right? And it's paying something around $35 per each conversion or per each $1 sale, which is great, which is very good because this product should convert really good because it's only $1 sale. So I need a landing page. Yes, you are a beginner or an expert, it doesn't matter, all the time you need a landing page to promote these offers. So to create a landing page, I'm using the Google Site platform. The Google Site platform is a good tool or a good free tool online that you can use to create landing pages to promote your affiliate products. So as you can see, I just created this landing page. I just entered some random texts right there and random images just to show you that it's really easy to create landing pages in Google Sites in a couple of minutes. So as you can see, you can add it right here. You can add the titles, you can add the text right there. If you want to change this, just click on it and you can change it. You can add the links on buttons right here. So this is a button. This is where our affiliate link should be linked in this button right here, and in this button right here, and in this button right here. Make sure to put something like 3 or 5 or 4 buttons or call to actions in your landing page, so this way you get as much as possible of clicks from your landing page, as you can see right here. And you can add a text, images. It's really easy, just click on it, you can delete it, you can replace it with replace image, you can upload it, or just select another image from Google. It's really easy. So and here is how does it looks on my mobile or the mobile version. This is how your landing page on Google Sites will looks like on mobile, and this is how it will looks on desktop. It's really good. It's good, as you can see right here, and it supports all of the formats with no problems, so it's really good. So now you need a traffic source, so you choose a product. As an example, we take this product right here and we create a landing page using Google Sites. Now we need a traffic source. The traffic source that I will recommend for you in this video is Taboola. Why Taboola? Because of the volume right there. There are a huge volume, as you can see right here. Taboola Taboola is a native ad platform. So what is native ad platform? This is how it looks on publishers' websites. So it's something like articles, and that's why it's native. So people are actually thinking that it's just a normal article, and they click on it to read more information about this ad or this article right here. So it's really good, and the best thing, or why I prefer Taboola than the other competitors, is because of the publishers. As you can see, if you create campaign with Taboola, your ads will be seen or will be appeared, or you will get traffic from USA Today website, you'll get it from the Weather Channel platform, from NBC News, from MCN, MSN, sorry, for Business Insider, Bloomberg, from CBS News, from Fox. So as you can see, there are a lot of some good and high quality publishers right there, so you don't have to worry about the quality, because Taboola will not allow anyone to monetize his traffic or his website with their ad platform. So that's why I like it. And as you can see right here, even if they got some premium publishers right here, you still be able to get some good CPC and some low cost per click. As you can see, this is a campaign. I just find this one in the internet. I'm just looking for some case studies and I found this picture, and as you can see right here, this person get 4,000 clicks. Imagine 4,000 clicks. He just spent $72. Imagine if you just spent $72 to promote this product right here, your landing page, from $4,000, from 4,000 clicks. Let's say for example you get only something like 50% CTR, so you get only 2,000 clicks on your CPA or on your affiliate link, I'm sorry, and from this 2,000, let's say something like 1% or 0, let's say only from this 2,000 we'll get only 20 conversions. So imagine 20 conversions, did the math, duplicate it on $35. Imagine how much money you will make something like $600 with 20 conversion with this offer, with $600 just by investing something like $70, or almost something like if you invest $100 and you make $300, it's a good, even if the conversion rate is not that higher, but you still make some good profit right there. So that was the strategy. Chose an affiliate product, then create a landing page and start promoting this with some cheap cost per click traffic and high quality traffic using Taboola. You can start with something like $300 as a deposit, which is the minimum deposit required. And yeah, so this is how it works. And if you are interested in some some products like Bluehost, like Jungle Scout, Helium 10, Clickfunnels, Namecheap, A2 Hosting, GoDaddy, HostGator, Hostinger, WordPress, or Wix, if you are interested in creating an account with these platforms, we have in our website some great deals, some great coupons, and some great, as you can see right here, you can get from Bluehost website builder or Bluehost, the package of Bluehost, you can get 50% off just by using our website to purchase. So this way you will be able to get 50% off to for any plan you chose. As you can see, if it's the monthly plan or the yearly plan, it works with all of them. And Jungle Scout as well, we have Jungle Scout 60% off with Jungle Scout, which is a competitor of Helium 10X or Helium 10, which is an Amazon product research product or software that you can use to search for products, and that will help you as well to see what is working right now on the platform and what you should start promoting or start listing. As you can see, we have it with Hostinger as well. So how to get the coupon code? Just click on the coupon you are interested in. For example, if you are interested in Hostinger coupon code, 73% off your order, just use this product right here. Here is the promo code or the coupon code right here. It's really easy to grab. Just copy it and type it on the coupon section on your order or on the checkout page, and you will get 73% off of your order, as you can see right here. And we have more Wix as well. If you are interested in a Wix discount, this is a great deal. You can get the 10% off any yearly premium plan. So that was everything for today's video. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.